In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add new elements, divisions, departments, and posts to an org board. The org board is structured somewhat similar to a tree, with its elements branching out from one another. The biggest unit is the org board itself, from which divisions branch out into departments, which then branch out into sections, and so on. Posts belong to units. First, we must choose which unit of the org board to add the new element to. Then, mouse over the right side of that unit to open its eye menu and click on either the Add Post or Add Unit buttons, depending on what you wish to do. For this example, let's add a new department into Division 4. Fully opening a division is not needed to add a department to it, but here we shall do so in order to better illustrate the changes that occur. Let's mouse over Division 4 to open its eye menu and click on Add Department. The number we shall assign this department will be 12A, and we shall call it Wholesale Warehouses. Let's click on Save and Exit. In this demonstration, we will not be entering information about the VFP and functionality of the department, but when creating a real department, you should definitely fill in these fields. Now, as you can see, the department has now appeared on the org board. Let's add the post of manager to this department. Open the eye menu, click on Add Post, enter the title Manager, and then toggle the In Charge option. Only one post per unit can have this option toggled on, but every unit must have an In Charge post. Adding divisions is done a bit differently. We have already mentioned that the org board itself is also a unit, so we will just be adding another branch to it. To add a division, click on the name of your company at the top of the org board and switch to the Unit Structure tab. Here, we can see all of the already existing divisions. Click on Add Division. When adding a new division, you will need to indicate what type of division you want to create, which you can select from this drop-down menu. Note that these numbers are not random and each stands for a division type. Only some types of divisions can be added more than once, which is why not all of the numbers that you can see in the org board are available here. The example division will be a Type 6 division. Let's choose 6B as its number, and let's call it Internet Activity. Okay, again, we are not going to fill in the functional and VFP fields, but when creating a real division, you should fill those in. As you can see, the division has now appeared next to the other Type 6 division on the org board, and let's create a post of manager for this division. Eye menu, add post, manager, in charge. Save and exit. This concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, we will be happy to answer your questions in the comments below.